Hello and welcome to Technic Force Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use auto-linking in CloudFunnels. Let's begin. First, go to Funnels Insights. Choose a funnel by clicking Edit Funnel. Then, go to Sales Page. Then, click on Edit Existing Page. I am going to add an element here. Click on the plus icon. We can add any element here. I will choose to add an image. On the right sidebar, scroll down to the auto-linking section. Choose Yes in the Create Link. Here, you can paste any URL where you want to redirect a customer when they click on the image. I am going to add the order form URL here. Then, save the page. Let's see how it works. Visit the sales page. Scroll down. Click on the image. As you can see, we have been redirected to the order form page. Let's see auto-linking on the same page. Here is one more advantage of auto-linking. Let's check this. Go to the image section. Let me show you what to do if you want to redirect any user to a particular section of the page when they click on the image. For example, I want to show this section. On the right sidebar, I am going to set the ID of this section. Then go to the image. In the URL tab, I am going to add the ID of the section I want to show. Then, save the page. Let's check the changes. Visit the sales page. Scroll down. Then, click on the image. You can see that it is redirected to the section of the page. We can also do this on another page. Let's do this on the opt-in page. Click on the Edit Existing Page. Then, I am going to add auto-linking in this button. Choose Yes on the Create Link tab. Then, open a new tab. In the URL tab, I am going to paste the sales page URL, then add a number sign and the ID of the video section. Then, save the page. Let's see the changes. Visit the opt-in page. Then, click on this button. As you can see, we are redirected to the video section on the sales page. And that's it on how you can use auto-linking in CloudFunnels. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.